A lot of people have problems falling asleep. Here's how you can fix that issue. First of all, avoid caffeine after 5 or 6 p.m. Now, caffeine is in things like tea as well as coffee and even soft drinks, of course, and chocolate. Also, avoid the use of alcohol after about 7 or 8 o'clock. Alcohol may make you feel sleepy, but it doesn't make you sleep well. Exercising and drinking lots of fluids near bedtime isn't so good because you'll either have to get out of bed to go to the restroom, or the exercise will have you all hyped up with your adrenaline. Also, using the bedroom for only 2 things. One is sleep, you know what the other one is, and don't use it for stuff like reading, thinking, trying to solve problems. That's bad. If you're in bed more than 15 minutes and you're not just about asleep, maybe 20 minutes, get out of bed. Get out of the bedroom, go do something else. Otherwise, you're going to associate your bedroom and your bed with those problematic things, overthinking. There are great medications you can use, some over the counter, some medications that you can get from your physician.